This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Link. This stunning home showcases a spacious, open floor plan with tons of natural light. The living area highlights a modern ceiling fan, stylish lighting fixtures, and custom fireplace that extenuate the tall, vaulted ceilings. The adjoining kitchen boasts contemporary cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and granite counters. The top level houses a bedroom, shared bathroom, and a large master with private bathroom and walk-in closet. Other notable features include recently installed luxury vinyl flooring, scratch and waterproof, and brand new air conditioner system, July 2019. Located in the heart of Hilltop close to restaurants, shops, Interstates, Sentara VB Hospital, Oceana, and Dam Neck.